Hello, everyone, and welcome to this channel. Today, we'll be talking about how I'll be working on my idea and what are the ways that I am doing in order, or what are the things that I am doing in order to make sure that my idea don't go to waste. Yeah, I mean, this is all very new to me. I just wanted to work on something that will kind of show my work, first thing, and second of all, be you know downloadable. Like, it should be of someone's use. Like, I don't want to create an app that's of no use to anyone, right? So, and I know what you guys are thinking, like, what, like, you're just a developer. But I mean, I wanted to try this part a long time back, but I never had the guts nor the time to kind of look into it. So I just didn't wait this year and I started working on it. Now, what type of idea am I working on? So, you guys will gradually come to know in the coming videos, but for now, what I can tell you guys is it's very, very simple app, like very simple. Why am I touching such a simple app? Because I just don't want things to be very complicated in order to just test how I do things. Like, I just want to know if things are gonna work okay. Like, what, like, because it's all trial and error for me right now. And I don't want to get like the idea that's just perfect, because I've been trying to get that for the past few years and I have failed miserably. So this year, I'm just going to start with a very simple app idea and I'm going to work on it and see what happens next. So far, what I can tell you guys is, I just went through the App Store or Play Store, whatever you guys are convenient with, and then you can look through some of the apps. Okay. Now, after that, like, and also it should kind of match your interest, I would say, because if you kind of work on something that matches your interest, you end up working on it more and you have the first feedback, that is yourself, right? So that's what I wanted to work on, like something pretty simple but at the same time usable, for someone who is who is like me, like a developer, who has who has work to do, and I just wanted to make things pretty simple for me, right? So this app that again, I'll be talking about it in the coming videos, because right now I'm still in the ideation phase and I'm trying to validate my idea. And if it all works out, I will definitely tell you guys about the idea. I just want to be, yeah, I don't want to be overconfident, and I just wanted to give you guys a head start, but not to the point that, okay, I'll just say everything before even validating, right? So yeah, so that's how things are going so far, and I'm getting good feedback so far. And I am thinking of working on this idea. So I have started working on the logo, and I have started working on the overall wireframe, like what I want in this app. And also, a quick suggestion for you guys, like, always see your competitors and check out their reviews and see what is lagging in those reviews. So I found few things that were lagging in those apps, and I thought that, okay, in this app of mine, these are the things that shouldn't lag. So yeah, so far that's what is going on. I'll keep you guys posted, and this is going to be the part one of the series, and I'm really, really excited to get this started. Like, finally, I am going to implement on the idea after so much of knowledge gathering and research and talking with people, with and even like business owners, and also like after talking with everyone, I just feel like, okay, right now is the right time, Mompy. You got all the knowledge required, and now you have to start. So I just wanted to do a sit down video and talk with you guys about it, because I think this is going to be a very interesting kind of series, because I know many developers, including myself, like we struggle so much to make an app idea work, and especially on the marketing side, we struggle a lot. And I have many of my friends who don't even think about this because they don't want to go through that whole set of struggle. So yeah, let's see. Like, I hope this influences you guys, and it hope like I just hope that this kind of helps you guys out to start with your idea that you have been thinking for quite some time, and join along with me, and we can go ahead and work together. I'll be posting this video once every week so that I can kind of give you guys an update every week. And no, it is not going to be like development where you just finish everything within a week, or like at least create the MVP and all that. No, just we are just going to validate the idea. So today, you guys are going to go and validate your idea. I mean, I'm not a guru, I am starting myself, but this is what I have gathered so far listening to all the gurus. So, yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.